Hi, here at H. Mitchell Car Sales, we're very pleased to be able to offer for sale this 2020 Mazda CX-30. This is a 2-litre SEL model, the MHEV. This car's finished in soul red metallic paint. It's got the LED daytime driving lights, front fog lights, chrome grille surround, body coloured door mirrors with side repeaters, chrome trim running along the door tops, body coloured door handles, 16-inch grey alloy wheels, front near side alloy wheel, inside the car you've got the charcoal grey cloth upholstery with the pin dot centre cushion and light grey stitching. Rear passenger area, so in the rear of the car you've got room for 3 passengers. ISOFIX fixing points for the baby seat, centre armrest with twin cup holders, near side rear alloy wheel. Moving around to the rear of the car, you've got the rear parking sensors, so into the rear load area you've got the 60/40 split rear seat, moving around now onto the driver's side of the car. Driver's side rear alloy wheel. So inside the car on the driver's door you've got the controls for the electric windows all round, electric mirror adjustment, and this has got the electric folding mirrors. On the dashboard you've got the controls for the stop start deactivation switch. You can turn off the traction control, you can turn off the parking sensors, centre armrest that slides to open up the storage box. So on the audio side you've got the controls for the audio and the navigation, etc. The home page. The left hand side is a volume control, the large dial in the middle controls which function you're wanting to use. Heater controls, USB connection point. So you've got the screen for the media system, so that's the full screen navigation. Into the home page, onto the audio side. So you've got FM, AM and DAB radio stations, you've got the Bluetooth connectivity and the USB connections. This car's done 26,226 miles. Automatic headlamps. You've got the rain sensitive headlights, rain sensitive wipers. You've got the heads up display. Controls on the steering wheel for the cruise control. This has got the adaptive cruise control and speed limiter. The other side you've got the controls for answering and rejecting calls. You've got voice control if your phone's compatible. So moving back outside the car again. In the mirrors you've got the blind spot detection warning, so as if a vehicle's in your blind spots, when you're about to overtake it just warns you there's a car that you can't actually see. Moving forward to the driver's side front alloy wheel. Okay, I hope you find this video informative. Any further questions, please contact us by phoning 01924 411 323 or send an email to mail@hmitchellcarsales.co.uk. Thank you for your inquiry. We look forward to speaking to you. Bye.